AI celebrity selfies are blowing up on Instagram right now, and some of them even look like real selfie videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free AI tool to create a selfie video with your favorite celebrity or a movie character. AVCLabs recently launched a new online AI image generator and AI video generator that let you create realistic celebrity photos and turn them into natural-looking selfie videos. And yes, they also offer free trials, so you can try it out without paying anything. First, we're going to use the AVCLabs free AI image generator to create an AI celebrity selfie. Start by uploading a clear selfie. Then add your prompt. I'm using a celebrity selfie prompt that other creators have shared online, but you can easily tweak it to fit your own style. On the right side, choose your preferred image resolution and aspect ratio. Then just hit Generate, and you'll get a realistic AI celebrity selfie in seconds. Open the image you just generated, then click Generate Video from Image in the bottom right. This takes you to the AI video generation page. Here, you can add a prompt to bring the image to life. On the right panel, adjust your video settings, like duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Once you're ready, hit Generate, and you'll get a natural-looking AI celebrity selfie video. Once the video is done, you can preview it, download it, and save it directly. And that's it! You've just created an AI celebrity selfie video, completely free with no editing. If you want to try this trend yourself, this tool makes it super easy. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.